So here's a closer look at what we can do if we're headed off of the northbound I-15 off-ramp and trying to go west at SR 92 or Timp Highway. You'll see that we have several options here, but for right now we're going to stay over on the left side. There's 2 left turn lanes here and 1 through lane all the way under the bridge. But these left turn lanes give us some flexibility and some options to go either to southbound I-15 or right here on the inside left lane to go directly to the southbound Frontage Road or Thanksgiving Way. You'll see that this is a direct connection from the interchange to that Frontage Road that you can take without having to go all the way down through the through lane to Ashton and then back around that way. So we're right here. Again, we just came from the northbound off-ramp to the southbound Frontage Road with 1 left turn movement in that inside left-hand turn, and we can get directly to those Thanksgiving Park areas and to the businesses further south.